What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're actually going to talk about basically the difference between good and bad products on Amazon FBA. Now I already know that Q4 is already passed. However, I want to show an example of a product that I was thinking about getting into, but I had a lot of second thoughts about, and maybe even some of you guys got into this product, and basically the product didn't do well. And the reason for that was because it was a seasonal product. It was a gift product during Q4. And if you guys have been in Amazon or done Amazon FBA or done product research in Q4 before, you'll notice that a lot of the products are escalated when it comes to revenue that they make each month, and a lot of them are, highly exaggerated when it comes to how much they're going to make on a yearly basis. So guys, I'm going to show you guys this real quick. Let me see. So it was the, hold on, I keep doing that. Okay. So it was the scratch map. I'm going to show you guys this real quick. The scratch map, guys, this thing was probably, I'd say, the best product to do in Q4 if you wanted to make money in Q4. Other than that, you can't really make good money with it. And I'll show you guys the stats here. I run Jungle Scout, and basically what I want to talk about in this video is products like these. I know it is Q1 again, and usually in January and part of February sales tend to drop off. But if you can find products in January and February that seem to be making good money, even though it's past that Christmas season, past the season where sales are going crazy, it's probably a good product as long as you look at the sales history from like a year ago or 6 months ago. So guys, if you look at these stats here, literally, I'd say about a month ago, all these products on this page were probably doing $20 to almost $30,000 each. They were doing tons and tons and tons of revenue, and that's because it was a Christmas season. This is a gift item. And now a lot of them that even have like 30 reviews, 47 reviews, they're basically not even making that much money, not even breaking the 10K mark or six figures a year. And I honestly expect these to like drop off eventually. I was thinking about getting into this product, but I thought to myself, I was like, is this product something that people can use on a regular basis? Is this a product that's actually fits somebody's needs, or fixes somebody's problems? That's definitely a question that you want to ask yourself when you're getting into a product. So these gift items like that, or there was another product that I looked at. I was surprised it was actually a gift item, but I think it was a beard bib. I thought this was a great product too. However, it was a gift item as well. So it was the bullet glass. It was like a little glass with like a bullet. Um, what was it called? I think it was a whiskey glass, real bullet gift or something like that, and it basically was a gift item, and it's not really doing that well right now. So yeah, guys, that's basically what I want to show for you guys in this video. That's the example of bad products. The examples of good products are things that people that can actually use on a yearly basis, whether it's something like a what do you call that thing? It's like a pet hair remover, like this thing. Um, this thing is a good product to get into. A lot of them have kind of iffy reviews, and you can obviously capitalize on that. But this is a product that's going to sell well all throughout the year because it obviously fits a problem, or it's a solution to a hair problem that someone might have for their cat or dog. Also, and another example is something like a what do you call that? Trying to think of another good product. The way you can actually find these products too, like the way I actually do it is I go on Jungle Scout. I only paid for this for a month, and I go on there and mix up the different categories. So you don't actually have to go in and don't put in anything that's like common for everyone else to use. Like to find products that people usually don't find, I suggest putting in like these type of numbers, random odd numbers that people don't normally put in, so you can actually find products that people don't normally find. Because usually what people do, they'll plug in like, I don't know, 15 bucks here, 20 bucks here, and then like 10,000 here, 20,000 here, and then what they'll do is they'll search the product, and they'll eventually just keep finding the same products that everyone else is finding, and then everyone will wind up doing the same product. So guys, you don't want to do that. You want to mix it up. You want to find those products that people aren't finding and that aren't very competitive markets to get into. So yeah, guys, that's what I really want to just explain for this video. Since Q4 is over, 2018 is going to be a big year for Amazon. There's more and more people coming into Amazon, which is really good. That also means there's going to be tons of more products coming in, but the amount of people that are coming in into Amazon as customers is going to be exponential compared to the amount of sellers that get in. So guys, it's not going to be too competitive to get into 2018. It's probably not going to be for a while because it's continually growing exponentially no matter what. So yeah, guys, that's really what I just wanted to explain for this video. Usually what I do for product research, when you enter in information on the search bar, make sure it's in all departments. What you guys can also do is search. Let me go and Google here. This is another good way. Let's say you can't afford things like Jungle Scout or Merchant Words or something like that. You can actually search Amazon bestsellers new releases, and that'll basically show you all the new releases within the past couple months that have been selling relatively well. Of course, this is for books, but you can go back to any department and you basically can go in between each category and actually search whether it's beauty, personal care, home and kitchen. And if you get really deep into these niches like beauty, personal care, then you go down to like makeup. There was another product that I've heard some other people talking about, which is a makeup brush cleaner. That's actually a good product to get into. It is electronic, but I mean, electronic products a lot of people tend to stay away from. However, you can jump into that market. There's nothing wrong with it. You can get accepted into it. It's just that there tends to be a more higher return rate when it comes to, or return percentage rate when it comes to electronics, because they might be buggy or something like that. But yeah, guys, things like that people can use on a yearly basis is the best thing that you guys can, best markets that you can get into, because if you do that, you're going to be the ones making money the whole entire year on Amazon, and you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm going to sell these products for like 4 or 5 months, and then I'm going to drop down from like $10,000 a month to $2,000 a month. And that's basically what happened to the scratch map. I saw people on there for the scratch map doing like 30 to 40,000 a month. Now they're only doing like 5 to 6,000 a month, which is pretty sad, guys. But you just have to stay wise with this when you do your product research. You gotta have common sense when you do your product research and think long term. If you think short term, you're only going to make money for a little bit, and then of course you can use that money to invest in other products. But it's the best thing in your own interest to do long-term products. And then of course build your own type of personal brand, whether it's on Amazon or on YouTube or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's really what I wanted to talk about for this video. It's nothing too in-depth. It's just like some pointers that I've learned in the past like 7 months or so that I've been trying to figure this thing out with Amazon, and hopefully I can hop into a next product. The thing that I really am worried about is the actual Chinese holiday coming up, which is in February. I believe it starts the second week of February, and what will happen is you're gonna have like all these suppliers. They're probably gonna be out of work. Well, not out of work. Like they're not gonna be in manufacturing or in the factories or anything like that. They're gonna be taking a break, and I'm guessing it's probably gonna be around 2 weeks. So that's what I'm really worried about, starting a product now, because I don't want to get my product in and then it go out of stock, because I do giveaways and then it sells out, and then the suppliers not be in their jobs in order to manufacture my products. So then I have to do another giveaway, and that's a whole bunch of money again. So I'm probably gonna wait, maybe, I don't know, maybe until March to actually get my actual product in. That way I can actually save up more money and sell more products when it comes to giveaways. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. Yeah, I just want to point those out real quick. I know it's a little bit late when it comes to talking about this subject, when it comes to, picking seasonal products or long-term products or subs. Christmas just passed, but yeah, guys, I just wanted to talk about that real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So peace.